The sixth installment of our Kung Fu workout series offers an in-depth progression from our previous lessons. Here, you will be introduced to 4 superb new techniques, 2 intricate floor moves, a dynamic elbow strike, and a formidable head strike. The initial technique is the back sweep kick, an advanced move aimed at your opponent's legs to destabilize them, enhancing its effectiveness in a combat context. Subsequently, we explore the scissors kick, a sophisticated floor maneuver that targets your opponent's joints, delivering a strategic blow designed to knock them off their feet. Our third feature is the Yiing Hanan Yu, celebrated for its exceptional power and practicality. This move is not only powerful, but also highly effective. The series concludes with the Iron Head technique. This challenging move requires careful execution. Hence, follow our precise step-by-step guidelines to avoid neck injuries and successfully master this technique. Enjoy every moment of this rigorous training, and let's jump right into action.
Alright, my friend, so now let's start the movement 1, back sweep. On guard position, 1 and 2, put your left leg down, your body lean this side. And you're gonna try sweep, at the same time, you're gonna push your hand hard you can on the floor, and go boom. That's how. Alright, my friend, so training drills to help you achieve the back sweep. Powerful. Training drills, number 2. Yes, push harder. And also, this will be also hold. Push up, 10 times, 3 sets a day. Training drills, number 3. Swing back, kick back. Training drill, number 4. Do 10 times for a cross punch. This is called the one you do 10 times, 3 sets a day. So after the back sweep, you are boom, followed by a strong kick. Left feet ready to grabbing someone's leg, and you got to kick their knee. So this is a very dangerous move. So you can win the game in a second. So this move is a scissors kick. Scissors kick is the same floor movement. You gotta trick people's leg. So the same move, you sweep. But your body on this position will, as soon you sweep, your leg go up, and your left leg will be followed like this way, and your body turn to the other side. You both hand and this way. You push forward hard you can. You use your right knee stay at the center. Then you come back, standing position, make that strong punch to anywhere you can. Alright, the training drills, number 1. You both hands on left side, so you push forward hard you can. You rotate the other side and push back. So you do quick. You do 10 times a day. You do 3 sides. Training drills, number 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Training 10 times a day, 3 sides. Training drill, number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 seconds for 3 sides. Other side as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 seconds for 3 sides. Training drill, number 4. Push your head hard again. Punch hard again. Push, pass, push, pass. 10 times, 3 sides. Movement number 3. Yiing Hanan Yu. You both hands stay back. Fist, palm together and push. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Quick step and come back. The training drills, you can use chairs in your home. The first movement also can be left hand, and then you have elbow. So make sure your right hand really push. That is a short, strong, powerful movement. Very small, but you can have the power. Use your elbow like this. And another thing, your body can lean to this way and to get more powers. 1 and 2. The Iron Head is a number 4 movement. So let's do a step by step. It's a very quick movement. The first, you make 2 punches. Punch your right rotate and powerful, and you make a left and your hand from the right from top and go down across your left like this, and you dropping this and you pull. Same time you pull yourself back, your body lean forward, and use your head to attack the target. You go punch right, punch left. You stop to right and you go cross your both hand and pull your hand and da use your hand to attack the target. Let's do some training drill. Alright, today is a chair day. So we have the chair, we can use it to go punch, 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 punch. And number 3, go stop, cross, and punch, punch, cross. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. To do 20 times, 3 seconds. Press. After, you miss your hand to really push the chair back. So careful, make this tight and straight. Use the leg energy and slowly put more. So make your neck strong. So 1 and 2. 1, 2. Alright, training drills number 4. This is very important. You put your both hand on the floor, your knee down. You can either use the fist or you use your palm, that doesn't matter. And you put your hand, think about, you put your forehead, it's not right here. So practice. Put your forehead right here, like this. And you go, you push your hand, and you can lift your toe to use this roll and go down, and roll and go down. And if you can comfortable with that, you're gonna do a few times, and you try push, lift your both leg like this. So try a little balance by your both hand and your head like a triangle. This is the best balance. Once you're training a couple times, you feel you can holding your balance, you can both hand, your head, you roll to your head, and you go by your knee, and you go straight. Holding as long as you can, and you can go down and keep training. The first things, you probably need something like a wand to do your drill, and then without the wand.
That's it for today's video. We covered 4 new moves along with the ones we've learned before, bringing us to a total of 25 movements. Keep up the hard work and have a fantastic day. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Love you all and see you in the next video.